Alright, this will be the elevator at Restoration Hardware at Cherry Creek Mall, Denver, Colorado. I don't know why I haven't gotten a video of this elevator until now, but here we are. And it's got a seat inside of it, a giant mirror in the back. But it's a fairly typical KONE. Go ahead and sit down while I film this thing. With capacity is 4,000 pounds. And we'll go back down. Actually, here I'll demonstrate door hold for a second. There's door hold. That's a replacement button. Sit right back down on this lovely little bench here. Nice.